Hey guys, this is Daniel and welcome back to Great Plains Kubota. Today we are at my personal favorite place. This is GP Rents in Davis, Oklahoma, serving all of Murray County with all kinds of awesome rental equipment. Everything from big tractors, backhoes, skid steers, all the way down to hand tools, chainsaws, lawnmowers, all kinds of stuff. Everything you could imagine for rental for homeowners and contractors alike. So today we're going to go on a little tour of GP Rents here in Davis, introduce you to the guys that work here at the store. It's an awesome place. By the way, this is the only Great Plains location that's not a Kubota dealership. This one is just rentals. And man, I'm telling you, they have all the cool toys. Well, let's walk in the office and meet John Haynes and Eric Richardson and let them talk to you about what all this place has to offer. There's a lot of cool stuff around this thing.
Hi, John Haynes, manager of GP Rents in Davis, Oklahoma. Your locally owned and operated rental store. We have a lot of Kubota products, including excavators, skid steers, tractors, loaders, along with all your lawn and garden items. So we invite you guys to come in and see what we've got. We can give you a little demonstration or just a walk around of the facility with us. GP Rents is John. Yes, I'll have one available tomorrow.
Hey guys, Eric Richardson here from GP Rents in Davis. Everybody knows about our big equipment that we have for our big jobs. How about our little equipment we have for our homeowners and their small jobs they need, their lawn and garden equipment, all that stuff. We got the leaf packs, sod cutters, the tillers, aerators, brush cutters, stump grinders. We got it all. All your needs are all we have, everything you need for it.
GP Rents is your locally owned rental store for everything for homeowners to contractors, everything rental. This place is awesome. I love it. Come in and check it out or go online at gprents.com. You can give us a call at 833-IRENT-GP. And if you've got something that you need on your property that you have no way of getting there, give us a call. We'll even deliver for you. And John, I hear there's a big event coming June 7th. What do you got going on?
Yeah, we're celebrating our 1-year anniversary. We've been open a year now, and we'd like all of our customers to come up here and have some great burgers and all kinds of fixings. See our equipment. It's kind of a customer appreciation day. We want to thank you guys for all your support this past year, and just come see us. June 7th from 11 to 2, great food.
So you're going to be doing some giveaways, door prizes?
Yeah, we'll have some freebies to give away, probably some free rents, some door prizes, and who knows what all. KKA Jay's going to be here with the radio, so it'll be a fun day. Just come out and enjoy the afternoon with us.